little content, get a little ride in, and we're gonna get in line. So let's get it, baby. Good, bro. How you doing? You doing good? Yeah. Man, it is lit out here for the haunted trails. This is a line right here. Go, feature Michael Myers. Eddie Guerrero, bro. What's up, man?
I cheat and I steal.
Yeah. I lie, I cheat, I steal. I'm gonna get to the Halloween contest a little bit later. Hey, si me dan el micrófono, mira, un show que les voy a poner.
Eso, chico.
Dale, already, man. You'll see it on Joey Perez Off-Road. I like the rig. Ya estamos. You doing all right? Already. ¿Cómo andamos? Mi gente, ahí andamos. What's up, AJ? Yee. What's up, boy? What's up, Freddie? Yee. Hell yeah. What's going on, brother? You doing all right? Ahí andamos. Perfect. Perfect, thank you. Yee! Got the cool kids over here. What's going on, everybody? What's up, Bubba? How you doing? I chingo, Jason. What's up, brother? I'm here, you know, doing my thing. Hell yeah. Get that right there. Get that. Oh, he mixed it up. Oh, I heard that shit. Trail. La comadre. Órale, ahí estamos. ¿Cómo andamos? How was the trail? It was good. It was scary. Órale. Yeah. It seems like more traffic today.
Trying to feel the vibe, trying to have a good time. That's what it's all about, family, oriented, you know. We're having a good time here. You can tell.
Al millón, baby. Let's go. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Ready for this haunted trail? Thank you. How you doing? Hey, I've been doing a lot of illegal shit. Can you arrest me, please?
Yeah, sorry. Turn off the light.
Oh, no. Thank you.